Good morning. Alright, we're gonna do a little bit of polishing and finish Hopton's trip. So one of the first things I'm gonna test this morning is we're gonna do a Linux build. It's gonna take a while, it's gonna be slow, and yeah, and I'm gonna test the Linux build on another PC. I also think I might set up trying to stream from that PC to this PC so then we can still watch. This is Linux PC instead of Linux build. Good morning, me. Here we go again. Yep, Linux build. Actually, so I'll oh, this loaded. This loaded. Okay, let's see the player settings. Has all the same for Linux. Yeah, I think so. Okay, here's something really interesting. I could easily add VR support to this. Like, this is a really easy game to add VR support to. So now that I have the game made, I'm just thinking, like, maybe, actually, now that I think about porting it to VR, I would have to make the user interface, like, I would have to change the UI canvas from being screen space to world space, and that's like the most complicated thing. And that technically isn't that complicated. So this is actually a really interesting thing, is like, do I want to take the time a few days later and pull out I haven't plugged in my VR headset for like a goddamn year, man. Pull out the VR and add VR support. If I play, I'll play only Windows build under Wine. I won't launch native version. Fair enough. Fair enough. I'm still trying it anyways. So I guess we can just build it then. And like 32-bit Linux isn't even really a thing these days, is it? Like, I feel like I should do a 32-bit build just cuz, but alright, so while this builds, hold on, I'm gonna go and pull out my other, this is gonna lag and take a while anyways, I'm gonna pull out my other computer. 32-bit does not exist? Really? So I have a question. If you have a 32-bit processor, do you still just use 64-bit Linux and it's emulated? And yeah, stream is gonna freeze because this is so you know the compiling shaders yesterday. It's laggy as fuck. Holy shit. I watched Dune yesterday. Dude, such a fucking good movie. I am so happy I watched it. Oh my god. Now I'm like, as well, immediately I looked up, they're working on a second movie, man. It's awesome. Alright, let's boot up Ubuntu. I hear movie, but did not hear what is movie. Maybe talk when lag gone, lag too much. So, is the voice lagging? Usually my video just freezes, but oh my god, it just built. Dude, the Linux build is faster than the Windows build. What the hell, dude? The Linux build. So the Windows build the other day was 951 seconds. Or 950 something seconds or something like that. Above 900. So the Linux build is 200. It's so much faster. Wait. The Linux folder's empty. It didn't do anything. It didn't actually compile. What the hell? That's not a good sign. What the hell just happened? Build completed with result. Dude! Did I accidentally cancel it? What the fuck? I didn't think I automatically canceled it. 32-bit Linux, I saw 32-bit modern processors only an education system where government investment made contracts with AMD to get some number of cheap laptops. 2015 year AMD put 32-bit Linux. This exists in Russian education system, and India also use same process. Yeah, but I think 32-bit versions of Linux OSs have still existed for a while. Holy fuck, I gotta restart this, oh my god. Alright, now I need to find my USB stick. I found it. Alright, we're all good. We just gotta wait for Unity to compile now. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get some water and stuff. Oh my god, I can't remember the password to my Ubuntu PC. Oh my god. It's been so long. Oh shit. I got it. I got it. I wonder how long this compilation is gonna take. I have a feeling it might take like 10 plus minutes. Yay. What Ubuntu do you have? This is Ubuntu 16. Very old. Or old now. Yeah, it kind of bugs me how long building it takes. But I mean, so you know what's actually really interesting about this? I don't know if you can hear me right now, or if it's just if my audio's freezing, or if it's just the video. But the cartoon render pipeline I made, the custom render pipeline, it actually compiles way quicker and builds way quicker. I did an Android build for it when we were testing it, and it was like super fast, and it was like 30 seconds max. And the reason for that is because it has way less shaders. Like you can see a whole bunch of most of the shaders it's compiling are Unities. I have 16 only in VirtualBox to compile some custom code for Linux build release. Yeah, I have VirtualBox. I too have VirtualBox. VMs are amazing. Go away, Windows Search. No one likes you. I mean, honestly, I could be working on stuff like a web page for this right now while this is compiling. I mean, my PC is going kind of slow, but I got "be right back" on my forehead. Alright, I'm gonna go get something to eat. I'll actually be right back. Oh no, fuck, there's a bunch of red X's, man. That's not good. Red X's means it failed to build. Oh fuck. What happened? Failed in 981 seconds. Could not find part of path. Linux 64 with GFX non-development mono. Okay, so we have a error in the Linux build, and it is apparently, it doesn't look like it's actually from me. It looks like this is actually part of Unity that is either missing, or we're gonna Google this. This is concerning though, to say the least. Directory not found. Files in your project has hit the 260 char path limit. Move the project somewhere closer to root, making the path short. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? Could try mapping the Unity project folder to a drive letter. You'll need to remove the package cache. Oh my god. Oh my god. Shorter paths would be to use directory junctions. 2019, and we have to worry about path links and white spaces and hacks to get around it. Well, I guess I'm gonna move my whole Unity project folder into my C drive. But what the fuck kind of bullshit is this? God fucking damn it, man. Unity has some issues. I need to reopen the Unity. Check in Unity for the junction to have an effect. Adding the Linux build support mono solved my issue. Maybe I'm missing that. I thought I had that, but... Oh, I have Linux... Wait. I have Linux build support with mono. I have Linux build support with mono. I guess it's the path limit then? Maybe I'm just not gonna do a Linux build, dude. Maybe I'll just not do a Linux build, which is kind of disappointing, but like... Yeah, so apparently Unity has a 260 character path limit for Windows builds, or sorry, for Linux builds. Switching to mono in the player settings solved this for me. Let's look at this. Maybe I do have IL2 CPP on. Nope, I have mono. Windows, yep. See, it's not apparently Windows. Apparently it's something in Unity's code. Yeah, I think we're just gonna do a Windows build. Dude, this is fucking Unity, man. I don't know what I expected. Like it is too much effort to completely move this stuff around just to do a Linux build for a game that I'm not even taking that seriously. Variations needed are most likely the Linux 64 with GFX non-development mono or... yeah, Unity's supposed to handle this out of the box. If it doesn't handle it out of the box, it's like, what can I do? What can I do? Like, I guess I could move these folders. No, I don't think we're going to. I don't think we're going to. See, this is the annoying part, is that the reason I use Unity is so that I don't need to worry about these other builds working. It's like, it just handles it out of the box. Except it doesn't handle it out of the box. We run into these stupid fucking issues, like having limited path sizes and things that you shouldn't even have to worry about. So yeah, I think we're just gonna do Windows builds. I'm wondering if I could do a WebGL build in this game. Dude. That's so annoying. Like, god damn it. Alright. Yeah, we'll just do different Windows builds, and I don't even know about a Mac build. I'm not sure a Mac build would even work. I don't even know if I have Mac support. No, we don't even have Mac build support. Oh, we got WebGL build support. I'm kind of tempted to try a WebGL build, because as far as I'm aware, my game should pretty much run in WebGL. And that would actually add support for Linux too. In Godot, you just press export and export without building anything. It's just files and scripts. Ah, yes, the way it should be. Okay, what resolution should I do? I think itch.io provides an automatic full screen option for the WebGL build, but I gotta see. Interesting to see if it works in WebGL, especially just out of the box. Okay, so there's WebGL templates. Oh, this doesn't even have an answer. Full screen dark template. I think this is what I'm looking for. Cool, so we actually can have it I don't know if I should have it automatically resize, or if there's some way to, Let's just go with this at the beginning, and then we'll see later. Ah, man, it might... Oh, God, we're gonna have to wait for the shaders to compile again. I guess that'll give me enough time to install this template. Create a folder called WebGL templates under assets. Download the full dark theme template. Is there a release for me to download? Am I blind? There's no releases. So does that mean I have to manually download shit? God damn it. Oh, warning, hydraulic.compute buffer count exceeded. Okay. In order to build a player, go to player settings to resolve the incompatibility. Requires WebGL2. Oh my god, so we literally can't... God damn, everything takes so long in the fucking Unity editor, man. Everything takes so long. Alright. Is there anywhere to download default templates? Oh my god. There needs to be like a default template or something. Okay, so I think I can just do this myself by modifying the HTML. Alright, while this compiles again, I'll be right back. Man, why the hell does Unity want to run Node.js? Yeah, I'm gonna block it from accessing the network. Alright, oh my god, it's done. The WebGL build is done. Okay, so I was just creating a web page for the game on my website. Okay, we get a WebGL build. I want to check the size. Oh my god, it's only... Dude, it's only like 40 megabytes. That's actually kind of good. Okay, so I might need to I might need to disable strict URL policy to run this. It seems your browser does not support running UG. Please upload to an HTTP. Okay, hold on a second. It should. There's no reason why it shouldn't run. Here we go. Alright. WebGL build. Let's see if it works. Oh my god. So the music works. The resolution won't do anything. This won't do anything. Okay, so the settings are broken. There is no way to save the settings. I just realized. Okay, so immediately in the WebGL build, there's no way for the settings to work. So at least it seems like almost everything works, but the settings won't save and you won't be able to have a save file. Alright, let's try and do a playthrough of the WebGL build. Okay. Dude, WebGL build. So let's see about the graphics. Like, it seems like the graphics are pretty much the same. It looks like there's no anti-aliasing. Looks like the anti-aliasing didn't work, but... everything else seems good. Okay, so the mouse cursor just unlocked between pages. That's kind of buggy. It looks like the coloring of the scene is a little bit off. Oh, the audio's broken. There's no audio. Oh, it's because the settings. Okay, yeah, so the WebGL build isn't really gonna work. You see, it doesn't really work. It's full of bugs. The save menu doesn't work. It resets the settings every time. And it doesn't actually change. Okay, there we go. So, like, yeah, it's insanely buggy because of the save menu. Like, you can see it resets. The audio turns off after each level change because the settings file can't save because it's WebGL. So I guess for the WebGL build, I could change it to use like player prefs. And then WebGL can handle it. But yeah, incredibly, it actually does work for the most part. I actually think I might be able to play through it completely. Let's see if full screen. Yeah, so full screen doesn't actually full screen it. I feel like it's bright compared to PC build. Yeah, I just said the colors are different. Like it's weird. It actually looks like it goes darker faster, like the attenuation is different, but like the minimum darkness is still brighter. Yeah, it almost seems like the color space is different. And yeah, the lights actually look less bright than in the PC build. Well, I think I might do a WebGL build. I'll try to fix the saving system. People like WebGL builds, not having to download it. Okay, so that sounded different. The audio of us getting hurt? Let me try something. So that sounded weird the first time it loaded. Alright, well, I think we are going to do a WebGL build. Alright, it kind of does work. Error occurred with the Unity content. Okay, so I need to check if it's a WebGL build. Dude, okay, that's interesting. I was not thinking about doing a WebGL build at the beginning of today, but we're gonna do a WebGL build. Yeah, so first things first, I want to see if we can get full screen. We're gonna modify either this or if there's a style. Doesn't look like there's a style. What if we do 100%? And then we set any canvases to also be 100%. Oh, it's so close to being full screen. Just disable quit button. That's actually a smart move. That is a smart move. Where is it that I need to disable padding? Maybe the HTML and body, overflow hidden. There we go, it's full screen. Oh, except it doesn't actually change when you change the window size. Well, whatever. That's good enough, I guess. Oh, it's cut off at the bottom. I just realized it's cut off at the bottom here. Why is it cut off now when it has 100%? Yeah, why is it cut off? resizes. Now it resizes. Okay, awesome. Alright, so our the WebGL build is actually not bad. Actually not bad. Okay, so I think it's in the save data. Yeah, here we go. If Unity WebGL I think Unity engine and system conflict. Have two of the same. Maybe not. Alright. Player prefs. Set string. Okay, so that should fix the saving in the WebGL build. So I wonder how I should do the WebGL template. Like, should I actually make... I guess I'll actually make a WebGL template. WebGL templates. Full screen. Minimal. Yeah, we'll just call it full screen. And I think I can just copy this. Alright, hold on, I need to look up how WebGL templates work. community web name. Let's see if that shows up now. Full screen. Nice. Okay, and we'll remove the quit button. Okay, and once again we wait for a long ass build, or hopefully it actually is cached shaders, so this goes really quickly. Yes, I think it did cache the shaders, so yeah, all it's doing is bundling and compressing and stuff now, compiling. Cool. Okay, this is weird. Why is this being centered when it has text, or why is this going to the left when it has text align center? Oh, I have customized the span. There we go. I was just thinking, what am I going to use as the background and like style for this page? I don't think I'm going to put that much effort into customizing the page. Yeah, I feel like I can't customize the buttons and stuff properly until I know what the background is going to be, and like, I guess I'll copy the title from the game and put that in here. Alright, the WebGL build is complete. Let's see if it put in our custom template. Oh, nice! So there is our custom template. Alright, let's see. The WebGL build should work perfectly now. Including saving. Oh no, it didn't save. Shit. So wait, let's see. Does it save? Okay, so it's still not saving. Turn false if not has key. So why is this not working? Index is out of range. None, 0 less than size of. So I wonder what it's doing here. Like, is it not using player preferences, or... So when it first loads in, the options menu should load the save file. And then if save.load from file is returns false because it doesn't have the key. Maybe I'll try doing this with default value. And then if we return false, yeah, okay, so it must not be returning false there or something. Yeah, I still wish this would compile quicker. I guess I could also look up the IL2CP error. Community player prefs WebGL error. Player prefs doesn't save in WebGL build. Oh my god, is this actually just a bug? Oh my god, this is gonna be really disappointing if this isn't something I can fix. Alright, so I am calling player prefs.save. This thing says you need to do player prefs.save. Alright, so I found a bunch of stuff saying that player prefs is broken in Unity 2019 WebGL build. So yeah, that doesn't sound good. So I guess it's completely possible that this just doesn't work. it is not saving. Okay, so this is the crazy thing. The whole game basically relies on having the settings, like field of view and stuff, loading properly. If those bug out, it makes stuff like the volume randomly turn off. Index was out of range. Must be non-negative and less than the size of the connection. Parameter name index. So I wonder if this is part of my code. What is the solution here? I wonder if WebGL isn't initializing static objects. Because that would actually explain why. I can't access the list. So I guess what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn on full stack trace for this build. I guess development build. Oh god, so this is probably gonna take way longer. Yeah, I hate how long this workflow with Unity is. It's just waiting for shit to compile constantly and build. Oh my god, it might specifically be an issue with JSON loading in web. Okay, so interestingly, apparently it works in the development build. So I wonder now if when I do the development build, it's actually gonna work. Man, I think I'm just gonna end up releasing this shit on Windows. That's the really depressing thing. Is it's like the whole part, a huge reason I used Unity is so that it works on other platforms out of the box, and it doesn't even work on other platforms out of the box. God damn it, man. Alright, let's see if this works. I'm really doubting that it's gonna work. But hey, maybe that guy was right. Maybe it's the, maybe the development build does fix it. That would be very ironic if the development build actually fixes player prefs. Or, argument out of range. Must be non-negative. Next images out of range, less than size of collection, file name not available. Oh my god, it still doesn't have the file name. So this must be an error inside Unity. I'm guessing. I can't close the development console either. Alright. Oh my god, it's actually saving. So this is really weird. It's failing to load. I think the WebGL is missing static initializers. Yeah, so this is some sort of method with the IL2 CPP. Man, yeah, so I'm not gonna struggle. I'm not gonna bother with any of this WebGL stuff. Or I've said this multiple times now this morning. The whole reason I chose to learn Unity and to use Unity is to have stuff just work out of the box and literally just have you be able to just ship a build that works the same on Windows, WebGL, Linux. None of that happened this morning. There's errors in every single build. Base Unity stuff like the JSON utility and player prefs just don't seem to work in WebGL. The other crazy thing is it's like I have full error logging enabled and it's giving me these error in 00000 file not available. So we can actually look here. Init WebGL player first seen, mono behavior, internal error console, call awake, add to event, managed call method. Yeah, so this is something in Unity's actual code that has an error. Yeah, that's just disappointing. It's like it seems like everything works except for some, like, that's the really disappointing thing, is it seems like most things work. And like the other thing is I don't want to sit the WebGL build still takes like 5 fucking minutes to load. And I just cannot stand sitting through this 5 minutes of having it load just for it to not work and not give me any errors in the console or any actual useful. Yeah, so apparently this might also be an issue with the new input system. Yeah, like that's the thing. There's just so many ways this could go wrong, and I just don't think I can't be bothered to fix Unity's bugs. So this is a difficult thing. What do I do? Because like it's so close to this WebGL build working. It's so close. See, it's definitely initializing these static objects. So what could be failing? Let's see if it's saved there. Okay, yeah, so it's not... Load from JSON. Maybe SD is already taken or something. I guess, you know what, let's debug this. Just to make sure that it's calling these WebGL functions. And I'm also thinking, like, even if it can't save, if player prefs doesn't work for whatever reason, we could get this to work without saving, so that the players just have to play through all in one go. That's actually also, man, I wish I could test multiple of these things here. I wonder if I should also disable any of this resolution stuff in WebGL, since it's not needed. I do think having a WebGL build would be really nice. Alright, once again, we're waiting for this to build. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, let's see how this works. So it would be interesting if it's actually the resolution. It actually could be the resolution option is what was breaking it. WebGL loading. Oh, so it has a full stack trace. WebGL saving. Oh my god, it looks like it worked. Holy shit, it works. The WebGL build actually works. So I think we're gonna do a full playthrough of the WebGL build to test it. Okay, actually, hold on a second. Hold on a second. We're gonna do a non-development build. Just because that one guy said that player prefs is broken in non-development build. So I need to do the full playthrough in the actual non-development build. All right, I'm pretty happy with that we are going to be able to do a WebGL build. That's all. That, like, not doing a Linux build really annoyed me. I've been thinking about the idea of adding VR support. I don't think I'm going to add VR support. Fuck VR. Oh man, on one hand I want to add VR, and on the other hand I don't want to add VR. Fuck. I wish you could do stuff in the project while it was building, even if it's just like viewing basic stuff. I guess I could try to get some graphics from the game. Can you complete the game without losing any hearts? Is a fucking troll, because there's a part where you can never not get damaged. It automatically does 1 HP damage to you. I'm definitely keeping this in. That's a troll. I wonder if anyone would actually do that. I feel like the game is not good enough for people to grind out. We'll see though. Alright, there we go. Okay, hopefully this is the WebGL build. I still wanted to remove all of the logging, but yeah, whatever. Can't be perfect. Let's go. So we're going to play through all this and just make sure everything works properly in the WebGL build. So the performance is notably worse than in the Windows build. There is a slight bit of lag, and I've noticed that in every single WASM game, WebASM game. I don't think it's my game. I'm gonna turn the field of view up. And I don't think SMA works, but I think FXAA works. It's really hard to tell, but I think FXAA is active. Yeah, so the WebGL build has some bugs, but overall this works, which is awesome. I think I should so I'm going to make the default field of view higher. The default field of view defaults to like 0, or minimum, which is like 60 field of view. We're not going to do that, because that is too low. It actually chops off some stuff like those letters. But yeah, dude, this definitely looks brighter. I'm playing pretty badly. I actually think there's a bit of input delay on the WebGL build. Like, I think that's the thing with WebASM, is the inputs are still passed through JavaScript, and then WebASM has to be sent them through like a post message, which has a slight delay. Oh god, yeah, so I definitely think there is actually a little bit of input lag. Alright, probably gonna die here over and over again, but yep, immediately died. So far though, it's looking like the WebGL build works, which is awesome. So this is actually going to be really difficult. Fuck, because we're going at this with 1 HP. Okay, let's try walking. Let's try going on the other side. I've actually never tried going over here. Fuck! I got hit in the back of the head. Okay, I don't think this is gonna work. Maybe it'll help. Maybe this is actually the play. Oh, fuck, that was close. Oh my fucking god. Holy shit. Yeah, this is probably the most intense section of the game, like gameplay-wise. I'm gonna get nailed in the back of the head with a rock and just die from RNG. Holy shit, we did it. Okay, so now we just need to not die. I feel like maybe I should put a checkpoint right here. because it's like, if you keep dying here and then you have to go back through the rock section... Yeah, I think I might put a checkpoint right here. Or at least after that rock section. So I think the least I can do to help players is to add more save points. Oh my god, I'm so close. An interesting bug would be if the physics behaved different in WebGL. Okay, how do I do this? I think I need to go a little bit to this side. Fuck. Oh my god. What if I could go at it from right here? No. That's not possible. Oh my god, I'm gonna get myself stuck. Oh my god, I just got myself stuck. Holy shit, and now we need to redo this part. So yeah, that is definitely another reason to add a checkpoint there. Holy shit. I think the rumbling could be louder, actually. Oh my god, that one boulder just blocked the other boulder. Okay, holy shit, we made it. So all I gotta do is make it past this part to where you can heal. Oh my god, I'm getting so close. I can't tell if I need to keep jumping straighter or jump more to the right. I think it's more jumping more to the right. We made it! Yes. No! Fuck! Oh my god, I can't beat my own game. Alright. I am fairly certain that everything works in the WebGL build. Let's just see if it loads back in the save. It does. Very nice. Alright. So I think that's it. We're going to use the WebGL build. So now we're going to get some graphics. I think I will... Oh man, yeah. I want to do one final WebGL build. Hold on, let me see if I can capture... Disable everything, get like a solid background color. And then we can chroma key that out to get the title. I should do this with anti-aliasing, but yeah, actually I should do this. Hold on. Wait, that doesn't have anti-aliasing. And I can't maximize. Oh, I don't even need to start the game to do that. Okay. Wait, did that not? Yeah, it did. Okay. So now the question is, can we chroma key this white easily? I have a feeling this might not work properly with the chroma key. So I actually should have done it with a green screen. But I know another way of doing this. We can do this manually with curves. We can do input luminosity, output alpha, and then we can flip this around. Apply like a cutoff like that. And then boom. Let's just put a black background to make sure. So it does have a bit of a white outline there. So actually, I'm gonna adjust that till the white outline is, yeah, I don't think we're gonna get rid of that white outline. Oh wait. There we go. Alright, so that's our title. Scale it. Or we'll try to get minimum size that we can. put that in there and see how that looks. So I gotta think, how do I want to size this image? Do I want to size it based off width? I think I want to do it based off height. There is a border around the image, god damn it. Alright, so I want to get a I want to get a shot of like some crystals and the wall to use as like a background. We'll see if we can actually make this somewhat mixed together. No, so I want the crystals to be way smaller. So, can we get a shot of these with just like a small... What if I just modified this down to 111 for a second? Ooh, it's nearly already seamless. I'm going to try a new method for doing seamlessness. I've never really done this before. we're going to try doing a little bit of a blur. Until the seams disappear. And then we're going to erase the blur everywhere that there's not seams. Alright, I think I need to do a trailer or something now. I'm gonna do one more WebGL build without the logs or anything. And then we'll switch back over to the Windows build, because I don't want to use the WebGL build to actually record any gameplay. Alright, we're going to do the Windows 64 and 32-bit builds now. Or maybe just Windows 64, and I'm going to record some footage, and then we're going to try to like edit it into a sort of trailer. Alright, hopefully the shaders are still cached. It looks like they are. Nice, nice. The 32-bit Windows player is not supported by the input system. HID input will not work in the player. Please use... Really? So the new input system doesn't even... So let's see if this even works. Okay, no, so... It completely failed to build. Why does this say it was built in 2020? I guess because it's the Unity player. Did I build to the wrong folder? How do I turn off warnings as errors? There we go. I wonder if I just accidentally built... How do I tell if it's 32-bit or 64-bit? I think these are different. Let's see if this even works, though. So the input system might just completely fail. Alright, it looks like the input system... Looks like the input system works properly. I almost want to do the 64-bit build again, just to be sure. I feel like I might have overwritten the 64-bit with the 32-bit. I'm pretty happy with this page so far. I think I just want to do a like a video page or something right here. I might put it to the left or whatever of Hoptons trip. Also, I'm going to experiment with doing this panel as with a different background. Alright, there's our builds. So yeah, I guess I'll just record now. I gotta think about like what I want to do for a trailer. Or if I want to edit a trailer later. Yeah, I think I'm ready to close the Unity project. I don't even think I need to include any of these solution files. I think it's just literally all this stuff. Alright, hold on, I'll be right back. Get some water and then we'll do this. So I think for the recording, yeah, I'll disable my mic, the chat, and all the stuff. But I think I'll keep the stream live. See, I'm actually tempted to go and record the footage off stream, just so that everything is like highest quality it possibly can be. I think I might do it off stream because I want to record some 1080p footage, and then I'll come back later today in an hour or two and we'll edit the video, or I might just do that off stream because it's really annoying, or kind of it's boring for stream and annoying. And then this afternoon we'll release the game. See, this is the thing. I could technically release the game right now, but I want gameplay footage or something. So yeah. Alright, I'll see you around. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the stream. It was pretty boring this morning. 99% of the time was spent just sitting waiting for Unity to load. Yeah, the way it be sometimes. I hope everyone's having a good day, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are. If you're working on a project yourself, I hope it's going well. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.